Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Unfold chilled puff pastry and roll gently to even thickness. This creates predictable layers. Once done, brush the pan with melted butter to prevent sticking, then place the first sheet, sealing edges. Scatter a thin, even layer of the nut mix. Do not compress, because air gaps create crispness. Make sure to brush each sheet with butter between layers. That fat separates sheets and yields flakiness. Keep a clean workspace. You will repeat this pattern several times. Now you continue. Stack 6 to 8 puff pastry sheets, brushing each with melted butter. Sprinkle nuts between every second or third sheet to balance texture and prevent sogginess. Once stacked, trim excess to fit the pan for even baking, and use a sharp knife to score diamonds or squares. This guides portioning and lets syrup penetrate. If butter softens, chill the tray for 10 to 15 minutes so layers hold their shape. Then place on the center rack and bake until deeply golden. Finish the dish by making a simple syrup. Combine sugar, water, and a squeeze of lemon, boil until slightly thickened, then cool until warm. Once the baklava is out of the oven and still hot, pour the warm syrup slowly and evenly so it absorbs instead of pooling. Let the tray rest at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours to set. This melding creates glossy, syrupy layers. If slices are soggy, return to a low oven briefly and reduce future syrup by about 1/4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.